Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 11th, 2025, and we're diving into TreeHouse Foods' third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TreeHouse Foods, a leading private brand snacking and beverage manufacturer in North America, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings report. And there's a lot to unpack, especially with their recent acquisition announcement.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TreeHouse Foods reported net sales of $840.3 million for Q3 2025, a slight increase from last year. However, they also reported a significant net loss. Can you explain this, John?
Absolutely. The net sales increase of 0.1% was primarily driven by favorable pricing to recover commodity inflation and the acquisition of a private brand tea business. However, the net loss of $265.8 million was largely due to a non-cash goodwill impairment loss of $289.7 million. Despite this, the gross profit margin improved to 18.8%, up from 15.6% last year, thanks to insurance recoveries and supply chain savings.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. TreeHouse Foods reported an adjusted EBITDA of $91.6 million. How does this reflect their operational performance, and what can we expect moving forward?
The adjusted EBITDA margin of 10.9% indicates that TreeHouse is managing its operations efficiently despite the challenges. They've implemented cost reduction activities and benefited from the Harris Tea acquisition. Looking ahead, the pending acquisition by Investindustrial for $2.9 billion is a significant development, and the company has withdrawn its guidance due to this transaction.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 53 cents, but TreeHouse Foods reported an adjusted EPS of 43 cents. What does this mean for the company?
This $1.10 miss against the forecasted EPS indicates some challenges in meeting market expectations. The miss can be attributed to the broader macroeconomic consumption trends and planned margin management actions. However, the company's strategic initiatives and acquisition plans could potentially offset these challenges in the future.
Market reaction and strategic initiatives. How has the market reacted to this earnings report and the strategic initiatives TreeHouse Foods is undertaking?
The market is closely watching the pending acquisition by Investindustrial, which could significantly impact TreeHouse's future. The strategic acquisition of Harris Tea and the insurance recoveries from product recalls have been positive moves. While the immediate market reaction might be cautious due to the EPS miss, the long-term prospects look promising with the acquisition.
Key takeaways. In summary, TreeHouse Foods has reported a mixed quarter, with a slight increase in net sales but a significant net loss due to impairment charges. The adjusted EPS fell short of expectations, but the company's strategic initiatives and pending acquisition offer a positive outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for TreeHouse Foods, and the acquisition could be a game changer.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TreeHouse Foods' performance in the comments below.